took like a little break. Today we're gonna do the thermostat on a 2010 Genesis Coupe. Only reason why I'm doing this video is because I've been looking around, didn't find anything, just to like make sure that I was doing it right. I'm just gonna do it, see what happens. If I can, I think I have a really good explanation on how to do it. But I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get it done, because some people just want to look up videos just to make sure that they're gonna do the right thing, just like I was trying to do, but there was nothing out there. So let's get to it. Okay, so first step you do is you disconnect the hose that goes to the heater cord. So it'll be, see if I can get it. It'll be those two right there. One will connect to this. The other one will connect. The other one will connect to this right here. And then you want to take this hose that connects to that. That's for the throttle body. And then you want to take. Next thing, what you want to do is there's 12mm sockets. Let's see if I can get it. It's down right there. This one right under this fucking heater cord. This one right under that one, and there's another one all the way. This one right there. This one right under the heater cord hose. This one right under this one, and this one right under the thermostat housing. Also, one thing you want to do is, if you have an air intake, take it off. Take the battery off so you have some space to work on. I'll probably end up taking this bar off. I don't know. Just trying to make some space to work, because it's kind of hard to get back there. We'll see how it goes. All right, now I got the air intake off. I got the battery off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the four freaking 12mm off, and then see what happens. Also, you kind of want to remove the battery tray, just because it's a big ass piece like on your way. So take that off. Alright, so update. So I took this radiator hose, kind of tap a neck right there. Just take it off of here. This 12mm socket is like a bracket. Take it off, so you'll be able to take it off from there. And then just gotta take the housing off. Take it off from there. I'm sure you have a rag. I fucked up and a lot of coolant came out, but it's whatever. I'm just gonna clean it up after. Alright guys, so we came to the conclusion that it probably goes right there, because I took this gasket out of it, and it has like, wait a minute, see if I can get it. It has like the little opening where like the thermostat is like, oh, wait a minute. Like the gasket that's around it and stuff. So hopefully this works. Yeah, I mean, I took pretty much the whole housing. It's literally nothing on it, so like I don't see, let me see if you can see. I don't see, like on this opening right here, right there, I don't see nothing where the thermostat goes, or over there. And that middle one right here, this one right there, it's just for like a water neck or coolant hose that goes right in the middle over here. So I'm just gonna put everything back together. I mean, it doesn't really have grooves. Like I've seen some thermostats, like they have like a specific way to go. So I'm just gonna like throw it in there like that, and yeah, let's hope this works. All right, so this is what I got so far. The thermostat goes in there. I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm going to run the car, turn the heat on, because he said that the heater wasn't working. And I don't know how he ran the car without a thermostat, because it would overheat and just started giving him problems like last week. I don't know, but I was looking online how this shit's put together, and the thermostat goes in there. But I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't fucking tripping. So I took off pretty much the whole housing, and there's nowhere that the fucking thermostat goes other than here. So I'm gonna put everything back together, run the car, and see how everything goes. See you guys in a little bit. I got the car running. Got to put all back together. Just gotta see if the heat works now and the temperature raises, and it is.